Hello everyone, welcome to Meggie B's Family TV. If you are new here, you are absolutely welcome. And if you have been following us here and you are in our little community, you are absolutely welcome. Thank you for being here. Today's video is just going to be something a little bit slightly different. I feel it's important because I want to appreciate my fellow YouTuber that have been very supportive. So thank you all for everything. And if I don't mention your name, please don't be offended. Next time I'm going to be doing that. And also I'm going to be doing embossing from a gift that I received from a fellow YouTuber. I just feel like doing it. The carton is so huge, guys. You cannot even imagine how big is this carton. I suspected something because I discussed some things with her about some of the things I missed when I traveled to the country she's living, that is in Italy. So, and I was so surprised that she sent this thing over. So, and I want to see what is really in this carton because the carton is absolutely. I would like to appreciate my beautiful sister who is one of the reason I am making this. Check how her name sounds. It's no other person than Johan's Baby TV. Johan Baby TV is a very helpful person. We came to meet through YouTube here. And please, as I'm talking to you now, make sure you check her channel and see what she's up to. She uploads so many things. And I want to give you guys one story. And that leads to my embossing for today. I've not seen what is inside the box. So how come about this box? Do you want to see the box? Let me show you before I continue. I need somebody to help me carry this. So please come and help me carry it up. No, come and help me carry it up. Hey, guys, can you see this carton? Can you see this carton? Oh my God. Please take it down, bring it down. So, so all these things is coming from Johan's Baby TV, all the way from. Let us open this packet, ne? Let us open it and see what is inside. Oh my goodness, this is what I was suspecting. Oh my goodness, I'm going to open a shop or what? Whoa, my daughter is going to love this. Oh my goodness, there's so many varieties of it. Johan's Baby, this is what will kill me. Look at what I'm saying. Guys, you may say, what is this? Let me tell you something. If you eat this thing, you will not only like, you will cry. I'm not going to make verbal for them. So, how many? My goodness. We will go and check through Amazon. I will put the picture of Amazon, how much they sell it in Amazon in this place. This thing, there is so many. In short, I'm going to give her a call and ask her what does she want from this. Oh my goodness, too many. Let's be bringing it out. Let's count it. I have already 1, 2, 3, oh my God, 4. This place will not contain 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, hey, 10. Oh my goodness. That is it. Oh, that should grow because I said I want to eat it. You say you will eat it and vomit. Oh my God. In fact, I don't need to even count it. Let me see. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh my goodness. Thank you. Oh my God, there are other things inside. There are other things. Wow. This thing for the hair. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's another one also. Wow. Wow, this is 1, 2. Oh, this is another type. 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my goodness, God bless you. Look at these things. In fact, I'm going to show you on a hair. You know I like curling hair, and this is very good for curling hair. I tell you, see how my hair is now.
I will put it in another hair and you see it. I will try it on this and I will try it in another hair right now. Let's just do that. You will see. Wow, this is beautiful. So guys, let me show you on my mannequin how this coils, this thing she just bought for me, how it looks like on hair. So this is not coiling hair. Let me change the mannequin here and I'll put another one. Let me get my hair. And this is an Afro KK. Maybe you've seen me with this hair before. So now I've not even added anything to it. Let me add. It smells really good. Okay, if you want to know about it, you have to contact Johan's Baby for this. Okay, just one side, and you can compare how it is with the other one. Look at this side that I didn't apply nothing, and look at here that I applied something. Look at the texture. You see the texture? See the texture? And when you dry a little bit, it will just look like on my hair here. Very nice. Did you see that? The rest I'm just rubbing on my hair. Did you see how mine is also turning to? The few ones that I have left in my hand. Look at this side now and look at this side. See, there's a little bit different. Yeah? So I love this. I really love this. If you can't see the difference, I'm sorry. Please, please, please visit her channel. You will love her and you will like things that she do. And just write her an email and contact her. I know what she's up to. I just want to show you guys. You see that? This is our channel. Let's check our videos. Beautiful. Yeah, this is her video. Oh, she did something about this surprise already. Did you see that? Should we click it? What I got for my YouTuber friend Meggie B's family. Oh, thank you, my sister. So if you want to know the price of the things she bought for me, check out this video and you will see the price. And if you want her to really like make it available for you, I tell you, she's such a great heart and she will make it available. I'm really happy. You see her channel. So she does a lot of things, guys. She does cooking. She blog about, you know, holidays and so on. Yeah, she has a lot of videos that you may like, someone you know may like, and please share her out. Yeah, thank you. This is going to raise when it dry. Now it's a little bit wet, but when it dries like mine, is it going to just, you know, it will be looking really cool. You see that? To be looking very cool. I'm rubbing it on this hair now. See? The rest in my hand like this. You see? Just this side. Compare this side to this side. Shiny and looking nice. So let's rub it in another hair that is not so coiling like this and see how it looks like. You see? This hair now, look at how it looks like. Let me just apply this something and you see. Let me apply it and you see. So you want to know the name of the product? My people, ask Johan's Baby. She's going to make it available to you. You see how this wig looks like before? Let me just rub this thing there now. Just a little bit of it. Maybe I don't rub it all over, but let me rub it on one side so you can see how it looks like. Let's leave this side aside and let's rub it here. You see, even just a little bit. Can you see something that was just standing like who knows what? Did you see how it's looking now? Let's add a little bit more. The scent is very nice. You know, it's like you have perfume on your, you know, you have really nice perfume. Did you see how it's transforming this hair now? Was it how it was looking like before? No. Can you see the difference? This hair just now, did you see? Is that how it was looking like before? So let me show you the both hair together. Let me show you the both hair together. You see, this were the side I didn't apply anything. This was the side I applied something. You see it? If it dries, you will love it even more, and the shine do stay. And look at this one as well. This is the side I did not apply anything, though my hand still touch it a little bit, but look at this side. Excuse me, can you compare D here and D here? Which one would you like to have? If you want to know the name, or you want to see, you want to have something like this, yeah, you can also contact me. I will contact Johan's Baby, but I would like you to contact Johan's Baby. So this is what I have for you guys. I'm so happy. My dear, be appreciative to your friends, love those that are here that you're working with. Yeah, there's no need to like fight each other, love each other, speak from the heart with each other, and support each other. So this is what I want to let you guys know today. I'm happy to do this type of video, and I love you all. And if you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Don't miss any of my videos that are coming. No, I do more things here, and more are coming, especially in January. Talking about generosity, I want to use this opportunity to tell you guys that in January I will be announcing, or in December, let's say in December, I will be announcing my giveaway, because I'm already like 2,000 subscribers, and also I always like doing giveaway. I've done it before in my other channel. I'm still going to do it in this channel, and I'm doing this giveaway just to appreciate all my subscribers and those that are subscribed to my channel, that are following me in other social media as well, can participate. So how are you going to enter this giveaway? I'm going to explain that in the near future. So make sure you keep watching my video and do the right thing that you know you need to do here, so that you can participate.
That being said, Johan's Baby, I really appreciate you. Thank you so much for this package. God bless you and your family, and you will never lack as well. I am so happy, like really, really happy. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you, Joanna's Baby, and all my fellow YouTubers. Please maintain your conduct very well, so that other people will see you and they will appreciate you, they will trust you, and they will want to work with you. So thank you for Johan's Baby for trusting me, and for being supportive, for being part of my community. I love you, and thank you so much, and more blessings to you. And like I said, you will never lack. And so all of you in my community, those are just getting to know, please let us reach out to each other. Let us get to know, share ideas, and see what we can do together, and be strong women and men together. Yeah, I appreciate you all. And I said, I see you in my next video, like my other friend used to say. I sign out. Thank you guys. Bye.